This is a Denshoen Park, which is kind of like a cultural village center. Kind of like what we saw when we were in Hida Village a million years ago.
2014.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's exciting. Here we are.
Everything in that store was adorable.
Mm-hmm. For 2 people to enter here, it was just over $6. Mm-hmm. The gift shop is amazingly cute.
Yeah, we bought a little stuffed kappa and a kappa bag. Oh my goodness, we'll have to show you later. So cute. Look at the little kappa door.
Yeah. Do you know what any of these things are?
No.
Cool. I just love the look of the thatched roofs though.
Yeah.
Let's get one of those. I'm sure the upkeep's easy.
Want to be broke for life? No.
Here's a children's photo opportunity if you want to do some coloring. Various kappa fellows. What's that?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Educational thing. Cool. What I heard was that they have L-shaped houses and the horses and animals lived on the one end, the people on the other side. I remember hearing that. So is this horse stables right here then?
I think so.
Or horse house quarters? The wood smoke smells nice. That's
where the horses lived. That's where the people lived. You can really use the heat. It's so cold.
Listening to a story from Grandma.
孤独になったんだと。だから汗3本でも孤独。이너꺼이너꺼디 아스무라tta 옹와스디아왔네 소리가
You gonna come join me?
니까카와 빙아도 히카르 데 뻔하와게 음악 꺼내놨다듯이 오나ngo 와라스모 으즈듯이 나 아니사와는 났단다도 거기人がいたんだから人が孤独になったんだと아스무라tta 옹와스디아왔네 소리가 있는거
Yeah. For story time. I like that there's a puppet doll sort of representation to go along with the voice.
Yeah, it's Grandma's story time.
I think it just restarted. Life cycle.
I was gonna say these look like where you keep silkworm.
And some sort of weaving machine.
That's where they kept silkworms. When we went to the place in Hida Village, they said the silkworms stay up here because it's warmest in the rafters. Remember that?
Yeah.
It's for spinning the silks.
Viewing slug.
It says make sure to sanitize your kappa fins. It's adorable.
Let's just hit my head. Big old doors. Hard to use, but nice.
The origin story in Tsukumushi village is as follows. The daughter of a wealthy farmer from Tenjuku married a horse. The father was so angered that he killed the horse and hung its hide on the branch of a pine tree. The daughter went under the tree and cried, longing for her lover. The horse's hide hanging on the tree branch heard her voice and flew down, wrapped itself around the girl, and they flew off to heaven together. In Tono, one story goes like this. Once upon a time, there was a father and his daughter living in the countryside. the girl married a horse. The father was angry and tied the horse to a mulberry tree and killed it. The girl took the horse hide and made it into a small boat. She paddled off into the sea using an oar made from the mulberry tree. Later, she died of grief at the horse's death. One day, the boat washed up on a shoreline. It is said that the worms that came from the boat hide and her body were silkworms. My daughter was deeply disturbed at seeing her father kill a horse. She decided to leave home. She made food and other preparations so that her father would not have difficulty being left alone. On the morning of the 16th day of the 3rd month, she woke her father up at daylight and had him look at the grain grinder in the garden. She said there was plenty of food to sustain him. The girl flew off into the sky with the horse. On that day, when he looked into the grain grinder, he found white silkworms forming the shape of a horse's head. It is said that he gathered some mulberry leaves and cultivated these worms.
I knew it was here somewhere.
Found it.
We found the secret entrance at the back of the L-shaped house.
The passageway seemed kind of magical in a weird way.
Yeah. So this is the tree where the girl who loved her horse and her dad killed her horse. Where she came and wept at the body of the horse and then was spirited away into the air. There's lots of different variations of that story, but you want to come down the magical passage?
Yeah.
Some Narnia shit. Do you think these little sandals will fit a kappa foot? Where to now? Over here? This is where they'd bathe.
That's located outside. This bath is called a tapabulu.
So you'd make a fire underneath or something, wouldn't you? Or no? Maybe this isn't the wooden underneath or the fire underneath kind.
This is a metal pipe, so it must be some sort of the metal's conducting heat to the fire.
Yeah. Well, okay. Hey, look at its little cat paw feet. Get it? This is a cat's footprint, huh? Oh, that's funny. It's funny. Laugh, laugh. I think you can probably fish for kappa over here too. Those bridges look a little too treacherous. I'm gonna go with the bridge more trotted. Oh, this would have been like a mill, I suppose. Oh, that's dark. This lady is feeding the birds kappa heads. There's so many layers to these thatched roofs. Cute little lady, and then Yeah, the birds. Right?
Strange artificial crow symmetry. Dramatic reenactment of what crows look like. Kappa's eating a fish, not a cucumber. We hear kappa?
Oh, obviously, all the time.
I assume you mean slipping, but you might have meant of kappa. Kappa are never slipping.
That right there is a dope stone lion. I mean, sorry, it's a bird card. Having your feet under a katatsu after staying in the cold for many hours with this kappa kappa. And the ocha, the hot ocha. Yum yum.
It's interesting to be on the other side of glass from you.
Katatsu's so warm.
Yeah. Never eaten out underneath a nice blanketed katatsu. Especially with such brilliant company. Still sharing the warmth with us. Steam coming off of it. It's delicious. And also this guy.
She says this is a special because it has local vegetables. I don't know what it is though, but it looks really good. I wonder if I can open this. Oh, and that looks like tempura. Oh my goodness, so good. So excited. This looks like molten lava. Chicken?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Where's one piece of chicken?
Yeah, me too.